Hello! The tutorial you're about to watch is a part of a course called Arduino Zero to Hero. Link is in the first line of the description for much more, 52 lectures and everything you need to master Arduino. Hello and welcome! In this tutorial we're going to use a potentiometer, which is actually a variable resistor from 0 to 10 kilo ohms, and we're going to use it to dim an LED. Now, in order to do that, I will jump into the breadboard view, and in order to do that, I'm just going to plug in the LED first. Basically, we're going to have one end going into the blue rail, essentially the minus, and for the plus I'm gonna have a 220 ohm resistor in the plus. Here we go, and there we have it. The LED is on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to basically replace this resistor with a potentiometer. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to place this potentiometer in here. And the resistance, by the way, is going to come in between any two legs on opposite sides. Now, ideally, the LED would still pass through a resistor. So maybe I'm going to put this resistor out the back and then have a path go from the LED into the potentiometer and then into the 5V. So I'm just going to, in a way, guide the 5V towards the LED. It goes into the potentiometer there, and it should go out to the potentiometer. I guess we could try to move it closer. As I said, any two legs will... Oops. So there he is. That's not working. I guess the easiest thing would be to just use that really long cable. And these two are connected, as you can see. Now if I turn this, you're going to see slowly the LED, watch right here, it's going to get brighter. It's getting brighter. Now it's fully on. Off, on. And there you have it. That is the potentiometer working as a dimmer. It's all happening really in the lower third of the potentiometer range. Okay, so I'll just move the camera a little bit. As you can see, the potentiometer looks like that normally. So after you have found the optimal range, you can leave it in and you can adjust it by turning this knob. And just on the cusp would be about there. Excellent! See you in the next tutorial.